make the edit important.
Alright, y'all.
How about shoot you?
Drop a like if you want season X Battle Pass. Drop a like, subscribe, and the next 5 seconds. Alright, today we're gonna go to the challenges. I'm gonna show you how to do the spray paint challenges for her. So today we're gonna do the spray car in different name of location. So I'm gonna go in Team Rumble because this is the easy way you can do it. You can go to any location where car, truck, at. So where I'm gonna go is to Shelton. And if I can make it to Mega Mall, I'll go to Mega Mall. So I'm gonna go buy a truck or a car, and I'm going in front of it, and I'm gonna spray something on it. That's how you do in challenge. So if I can make it to Mega Mall, I'll go to Mega Mall. If you already drop a like, comment, and subscribe, I'll send the battle pass to you. Use my creative code is Havion Huggins. H-U-G-G-I-N-S. So I'm gonna use this launch pad to go to Mega Mall. Mix that shit up. Right now I'm going to Mega Mall. Well, I also can do it right here, but those challenges that's popping up, I don't know how to do those. So I'm gonna see what this works. Oh, I did it in that location. Every time you see cars, but if you did it already one time at the place, you can't do it again. Right now I'm taking to another car. So I'm gonna spray the car. So it's at 6. Let me go to the circle before the storm comes. Alright, now I see in car, so I'm gonna put a thing on it. Oh, must have did it already.
Who's that? Get up.
I must have did it.
Shut up. Shut up. Why are you in that prayer room anyway?
Okay. Are you that lady?
Well then,
You know that lady bracelet? Blue sugar, blue bird? That'd be okay.
and she brought you air candy?
No. The lady. You know the lady? No.
Just get on my feet.
Katie home. Katie home. Katie mama.
Alright, you already know. Like, comment, and subscribe. Just got him. Like, comment, and subscribe.